Welcome to a walkthrough of June 25, question 1H, question 13. It's a non-calculator paper, so you should have had to go at the question. You should be thinking about, why did I not get my marks? What can I do? What's wrong? And after I've done the question, there'll be a similar one for you to do. And then you can pop onto my website if you want to do some more. Remember, it's part of building up your revision. Remember, I am talking through this as though you know the knowledge and you're just making mistakes. It shouldn't be massive teaching. This is a revision workshop video. Right, so here was the question that you should have had a go at. Right, so you're told x equals 0.2 recurring. So you then know 10x must equal 2.2 recurring. So I can take that away. So I now know that 9x must equal 2. So x equals 2 over 9. So I've now written as a fraction. I've now got, and I've got y equals 0.681 recurring, and it's recurring between the 8 and the 1. So the first thing I need to do is I need to have, I'm going to work out what 1000 y is, because then I've got the recurring bit isolated to chop it off. I know I want to chop off the 6, so I'm going to use 10y as well. So that gives me 6.81. So now recurring. So when I take that off, I know I'm only left with the numbers. So 990y must equal 675, which means y equals 675 over 990. And we are asked to work out x, y. So that's 2 over 9 times by 675 divided by 990. Right. Now I know 9 goes into that 75 times. You may have had to break this out. You may have to do this other ways. So I know 150 is that, which equals 15 over 99. 3 goes into both. So that gives me 5 over 33. I'm just going to write the divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 10, divide by 10, so it's clear. So that is my answer, is 5 over 33. Right, now, your turn to have a go at a similar question. Let's have a go at it and see what we can do. Right, sorry, I've covered that up, but you should now be able to see it. Press pause, skip a bit. Right, so thinking about what's the first thing I did? Well, I said, let's make x equal 0.4 recurring. Because it is one digit, what do I need to do this? I need 10x. What can I do with them? Take them away. So I now know 9x equals 4. So x equals 4 over 9. If you've done that, brilliant. Now, y equals 0.318 recurring, which is the recurring bit. So what do you want to times it by? Yes, 1000. I want to chop off what part of it? I want to chop off the 3 bit. So I'm going to use a 10. So I'm going to take that away. What does that give you? What does that give you? What does it mean that y equals? Some of you may choose to cancel that by 5 and cancel down now. I, however, I'm just going to write it down as xy equals 4 over 9. 9 does go into that 35 times, so I've got 4 times 35 over 990, which gives me 140 over 990, which gives me 14 over 99. And that won't cancel any further. Brilliant. Well done. Now, don't forget, hit subscribe. Remember, grade 9 students, if you want worksheets, I need grade 9 subscribers. There aren't as many as you as there are, so the more of you do it. I will be posting a probability question. What fraction of people who sit GCSEs get 9? How many of those do I need as a subscriber to make this worthwhile me doing? Thank you.